Hi guys, if you have more than one messaging app installed on your Galaxy A37 5G and you wanted to be able to switch between them so that you can use either one as a default one, this is what you need to do. You need to open up your settings, then you want to scroll and select apps. Under apps, tap on choose default apps and then look for the category labeled SMS app and tap on that. Then from here, you should see all these messaging apps that you currently have installed on your phone. So I have a Google messaging app and I also have a Samsung messaging app. So for me, if I wanted to switch from Samsung messaging app to a Google messaging app, I will just select it like that. And then once I've selected that, it will be my new default messaging app. So any messages from now on will be sent to this app. If you wanted to switch back to the alternative option, you can just select it and then it will be your new default. So guys, that is how you can set the default messaging app for your Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.